So Nick, this is our Suburban Premier. I wanted to kind of just do a video on this so you could compare the two. This thing is super luxurious. You have like chrome inserts on the doors, smart key access, so the key will just sense that the vehicle is close by and you don't have to deal with using the fob or anything. It just opens right out. It also has power running boards. I'll show you that again. I guess the car's going to be off. And then you have your power seats with your lumbar. Heated steering wheel on this one. Heated and cooled seats. Apple CarPlay, navigation. This one has a sunroof. Built-in factory DVD, wireless cell phone charger, captain seats in the second row in this one, which is a nice feature. And where this is the Premier, the rear seats are heated. Another thing that I just personally like is the black badging. Kind of gives it a cool look. You have your rubber cargo mat and the original carpets with the vehicle. Headphones for your DVD right there. Really, really, really luxurious, very well maintained. Yeah, this actually has 2 DVD screens, so let me know which one you like best and when you can come in while the bro's still here. Thanks. Bye-bye.